This is the Donner Summit trailhead. Takes me to the PCT. There's some snow on the ground, but not too much. The trail's pretty wet. We'll see what it looks like once we start getting into the real trail. A lot of snow. It's not too bad though. It's actually kind of like a foot massage. Trail's somewhere around here. I occasionally, weave across it, where I'll see little blazes on the trees. Lets me know where I am, but mostly just weaving in and out. It's pretty tiring walking through this snow. That is Castle Peak way up there. Looks pretty gnarly. All right, I did say I wasn't gonna go up to that, but there's a lot less snow this way. I have to go over that pass anyways. It's cold now. You can see there's a stream behind me, and well, hopefully you can see it. Oh yeah, okay, good. All right, well, as I was crossing it, I got to this side, stepped up on the snowbank, and of course, the snowbank then collapsed, and I was knee deep, almost knee deep in water, which is very cold right now. So I'm crossing this meadow, which is currently a snow field. I'm gonna get up a little bit in elevation, find somewhere that does not have snow, and then I will camp there. It's 40 degrees. So once I get out of this meadow, I think it'll be a lot better. This is the backside of the mountain that I camped on. Makes me want my snowboard. This right here would be a 6 ski run. I'm hiking up to the top of this. I'm not gonna continue north. I'm gonna start heading back. These sunglasses do not protect from the snow, and so it's kind of hard to see a little bit because I'm just getting that bright light from underneath. I don't think it'd be wise of me to walk through this for another day and a half. So I'm gonna head up to the top of this ridge. I think if I kept going forward, there are definitely some spots where there's no snow. It's hard to tell. I think this way, I'm getting to do something I haven't done before and just kind of walk on these ridges off trail. It's all a learning experience. It's all, it's all training really for the next hike. I wasn't expecting this amount of snow, but it's here. It's kind of like walking on a snow cone, honestly. It's not, it's crunchy. You can pick it up, but it's definitely not powder. It's been melting and refreezing and feels good on my feet. But I think, definitely wasn't quite prepared for this. I knew there'd be snow. I didn't know I'd be walking on it most of the time. But that's all right. This is it's beautiful. Next time I'll get some glacier glasses or goggles. Anyone interested in a snow bridge? Basin. I'm on top of the castle. Not quite to the top. So there's the top. I think I can get up there. I'll follow that path right there. Long way down. Making my own way home. One of the scary things about walking in the snow like this is when you can hear the water. You have to walk across the snow. The water's underneath it. Got a lot of probing with my trekking poles. The unmistakable sound of Interstate 80. Made it back to Donner Summit Trailhead. I didn't come out the exact way that I came in. I figured just walk and see where I end up. It's very hard to miss the freeway. You can see it from all those peaks I was on, and I know how to get to my car from here. But this was great. Not exactly what I was expecting. Not expecting this much snow, that's for sure. But it's a learning experience, and I had a blast, and that's what really counts. See you next time.